Contemporary composer James Barnes has enjoyed a lifelong hobby of reading military history, especially accounts of the American Civil War. 3 years ago, this last spring, while rereading the works of noted Civil War historian Bruce Catton, Barnes was reminded of the fascinating story of Brigadier General John T. Wilder, who commanded one of the first brigades of mounted infantry during several Western campaign battles. Wilder's concept of horse-mounted infantry, a totally new concept in warfare, allowed quick action and reaction in comparison to the slow-moving infantry of that time. Let's feel how Barnes captures this military innovation in his music. This is the Lightning Brigade.
I just wanted to share with you, thank you, Jim, that when I first found this march, the Lightning Brigade, I was shocked. But I figured it would be a good way to keep up on current events. So please don't go home if you don't know what I'm talking about. Sorry.